So we have a deterministic AI engine called JANUS. That's a rule-based engine. That gives you a known output. That can still be, you can still leverage experts to be able to write rules to operate on that code base, but you always know the emissions that you're getting. There's no probability in that, there's no guesswork. We've integrated that in with a GenAI solution. We've extracted out knowledge graphs that can drive that GenAI, chunk that down into stuff that are into usable chunks that it can operate on efficiently, because we are talking about millions and millions of lines of code. We're also giving a lot more domain expertise associated with that implementation. Those knowledge graphs are driven into a vector database that's allowing you to do a number of new things in your modernization efforts. First one you got to do is assess where you're at with your code base, what you don't know, what services you need, what services you don't need. That's all done by utilizing our next generation solution, JUNO. That's an application agent that leverages our business documentation, our design documentation, the test documentation, and provides proposal feedback, POC feedback, and actually gets you started in your modernization journey. The next step after that is actually doing the code transformation. This is all automated. It's all right now available for demonstration at our booth. It's all automated. It's up on AWS. It'll generate transformed code using that deterministic IOM-based solution, providing you with code output, providing you with additional testing output, being able to give you information on database, not information. We do the schema transformation and actually develop the ETL scripts for the data loading, so you have a solution there. And we also do the screen transformation, migrating people from kind of your legacy green screen situations into a React, Angular, and Blazor type solution. In addition to that, you're now operating based on a solution that can be modernized. So you begin to be able to leverage GenAI to do idiomatic refactorings of the Java or C#. And that gets you to a point where you're now a solution that's stable, that you know works, that the business logic is maintaining, able to start to reimagine your solution, be able to leverage GenAI to move you forward. You're in an updated CI/CD pipeline. You've got unit tests. You have regression tests. You're now able to build on something that you can move forward with. In addition, you typically, as a part of this process, we're injecting REST endpoints, API interfaces that allow you to be able to integrate in with COTS solutions or be able to partition the solution out into different microservices.